I'm done.
Okay, please read.
Wait. Chris was pleased because A and his brother has chosen a good route. 24. What did Chris dislike about his trip? C. The weather. 5. What might he say in a postcard to a friend? C. I'm pleased to be away from cars and lawyers for church, having a good time despite some problems.
Okay, so let's check now your answer, Ivan. Number 23. Chris was pleased because blank. He and his brother had chosen a good route. You know what's a route, Ivan? Do you
Not
understand?
really. I think it's uh like it's
What is it?
uh it's like I don't know how to say it in Vietnamese. I don't know how to
Okay,
say
a route is a way, okay, where you go through. For example, you went to the mountain, so you have the list or you have the map on which way will you pass by. That's a route, okay?
it.
If you are a driver, you need to know where's the route so that you will not get lost and you will arrive to the place easily. All right, so here, which Chris was pleased because the answer is very good. He and his brother had chosen our good route. Number 24, what did Chris dislike about his trip? It's all about the food. Look at here, Haven. Oh, most places we stop at serve chips with my friends. With me.
Yeah.
And as you can see there, it gets fairly boring. That's what he doesn't like. Number 25, what might Chris say in a postcard to a friend? It's correct. I'm pleased to be away from cars and lorries for a change, having a good time despite some problems. All right, there you go. You got
Or too
uh
much mistake.
again. Okay, now.
Yeah.
All right. So here, very good for that, Ivan. You were able um to get a good score at the last part of that activity. Was it difficult for you?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Cause
So, but
uh,
then, yeah.
cause like I like first I want to choose this, but then I want to choose this, and finally I want to choose this. Like it's make me confused.
Yeah, because as you can see or as you understand the given sentences, other sentences are confusing. All right? Because they almost got the same thought. What you have to do, Haven, is to look for the best answer. That's what we need to achieve in this kind of activity. Looking for the best answer. So in that kind of activity, if it's multiple choice, like you're gonna choose which one is the answer, you have to make sure that you understand and dig deeper because there are sometimes, Ivan, that sentences may have almost the same thought, but there are some errors that they put into. But then if you're not sure with the answers, if you don't read it properly, that's the reason why we got mistakes. Okay, but then you were able to did it. Next here, part 5, questions 26 to 35. Read the text below and choose the correct word for each space. Oh, I know you're good in here. Here, Ivan, let's try to complete the text about making honey.
I'm done.
Okay, Ivan, please read the text.
Making honey. Do you like honey? Honey is a natural product and it is made of honey bees. It has a special sweet flavor which some people prefer to ordinary sugar. Sometimes it is even possible to know from the flavor what kind of flowers would the bee pass before producing the honey. Have you ever guessed? Have you ever guessed about how honey is produced? Uh, Beekeepers, people who look after bees, are very important in the making of honey. They bring the bees in their care produce much honey than it needs. Then the honey can be coming, uh, removed without causing problems for the bee. Honey collection is an ancient activity. Coming back at least, um, how to read that number?
10,000 years.
10,000 years. And honey has become increasingly popular nowadays as a healthy food. Can I change my answer?
Yes, Ivan, yes, Ivan.
I'm done.
Okay, so let's check. All right, so here we go, Ivan. So we have here a text about making honey. So do you like honey? Honey is a natural product and it's made, the answer 26 is, it's made by honeybees, not made
Yeah.
of honeybees, but it's made by honeybees because it's the honeybees that will make the honey. It's not the bees that you're gonna turn into honey. Okay, that's why the answer is by. Next, it has a special sweet flavor, which some people prefer to ordinary sugar. Sometimes it is even possible to know from the flavor what kind of flowers the bees visited, not passed. Because if we say passed, it means it will not stay on that flower. So visited means you stop by and get something. It's visited before producing the honey. Have you ever considered, Ivan is different word. Wondered means think about how honey is produced. Beekeepers, people who look after bees, are very important in the making of honey. You changed answer? What's your answer? They let the bees
I
in
changed
their
my answer.
they let the bees in their care produce more, not much, but more honey than is needed.
Why is
Okay?
small?
Okay, more because you compare the needed one to the wait, look at here, oh. They produce number 32, right? So to produce here, Ivan, if we say more, it means in here we compare the needed to more. No, what another name of that? Needed to, if let's say for example, if what we need is only 50%, and if you say more, it means it could be 60, 70 like that. So you compare the old one or the basic one to the thing or to the number of honeys that they can make. So you just have to compare it with 2, not with superlative. It's just comparative. More. Okay? More with me. More than is needed. So then the honey can be removed without, correct? Causing problems for the bees. Honey collection is an ancient activity going back to the least 10,000 years. Not coming back because we're not coming back. We are looking backwards on what happened 10,000 years ago until now. Okay? And honey has become, correct, increasingly popular nowadays as a healthy food. How about you, Ivan? Do you like honey?
Not really, because like I only like honey with some other produce comparing. But if I eat only honey, like it's really sweet, and I
Yeah.
don't like it.
Yeah, but do you know don't you know why other people chose honey than sugar?
Because first honey like it brings some like some good uh some good thing that the bees made from the nature. Yes, sugar all is from nature too, but it's not really have that like that good thing.
Okay, so here. So you are right. Your answer is right. Your opinion is right, Ivan. So most people, especially those people who are doing healthy habits, okay, like practicing healthy diets, they will choose honey compared to sugar because sugar are already processed. You know what processed means?
Yeah,
It's already processed, meaning it undergoes machines. Maybe they put something to make it like that. Aside from, where do we get sugar?
yeah,
Oh, it's from sugar cane, from a kind of plant. And then they're gonna process the plant to get the juice. And then from the juice itself, they're gonna process it to make it into tiny pieces of sugar like that. Whereas in the honey, you can just simply drink the honey from the beehive. Just squeeze it, and then the water that or the juice is already the honey. That's what they do for natural. So it's more healthier than the sugar that we use or the table sugar that we use in our daily activities. Okay? So Ivan, that would be all for today since it's already time. So thank you for coming in today's class. So I think tomorrow, Ivan, we still have class, right? And
yeah.
it's a free talk, meaning I will think of a topic that we're gonna talk about, and then you will have more talking tomorrow. Okay, so I'll see you again tomorrow. Hi, Van. Goodbye.
See you next time.
Yes, goodbye.